These are the life hacks I only discovered halfway through my life. My best friend told me that inserting a straw into the keyring before putting the key in prevents finger pain. When you try to pour a drink into another cup, it often runs down the side of the glass. This can be very frustrating. You just need to place a spoon over the drink. Next time you pour, it won't spill out. This is super useful. Needle threading tip for the elderly. Prepare a small piece of paper. Place the thread inside it. Align the thread end with the paper's sharp corner. Then insert the corner into the needle eye and pinch it with your nails. Pull hard, and it's through. Heat the bottle cap with fire. Push it with a toothpick. Cut off the top. A seasoning bottle is ready. Very practical. When important documents stick to tape, pulling directly tears them. You can stretch both ends of the tape. The document stays intact. If two bowls are stuck together, don't force them apart. It could break and hurt you. Put the bowls under running water for a while. Then pull them apart underwater, and they'll separate. If beads have holes that are too small, use a lighter to heat the thread end and pull it tight. Cut off the excess. Then heat and pinch the other thread end as well. This way, they merge perfectly. Now threading is easy. Even the smallest beads can be threaded. Boil water, dip a spoon, and brush it with oil. Pour an egg into the pot and leave it still. When the egg white solidifies, immerse it in water. A perfectly round poached egg is done. Don't throw away rusted scissors. Add some salt to the scissors. Then add some vinegar. Add some baking soda and soak it for a while. After soaking, the scissors will look brand new. You won't need to buy new ones anymore. Bananas spoil easily after a few days. First, wash off the ripening agent on the surface with water. Then wipe them dry with a paper towel. Wet a paper towel and wrap it around the banana stems. This reduces ethylene release from the bananas. They'll stay fresh for 2 weeks. Insert a chopstick into the bottom of a tomato. Then roast it evenly over a low flame. The skin peels off easily. Kids especially love tomatoes prepared this way. Fold a straw in half. Cut a slit in the middle. Then cut one end open. Use it to seal bags at home. Like this, it's done. Leftover food scraps can easily clog the drain while washing dishes. Just cut open a beverage bottle. Melt some small holes at the bottom. Also, melt 2 holes at the top. To attach a string, stick a hook near the sink. Hang the prepared bottle on it. You now have a simple filter. No more clogged drains. For sealing grain bags, use this magic knot. It's super simple. Pull the string to untie it in 1 second. This is the wrong way to attach a waterproof ring to a pipe. Fold the string and pass it through the waterproof ring. Place the string on the pipe first, then pull both ends of the string. It slips on easily. Pour baking soda, floral water, alcohol, and laundry detergent into a bottle. Dilute with water. Punch small holes in the bottle cap. Place it in the toilet tank. Your toilet will smell fresh for a month without cleaning. A kettle used for a long time develops a thick layer of scale. Add an eggshell to the kettle. Add orange peel. Pour in some alcohol and water. Boil it, and the scale will come off completely. If the drain pipe isn't sealed tightly, cut off the bottom of a plastic bag like I did. Slip it over the drain pipe. Tie a zip tie around the middle of the plastic bag. Stuff the plastic bag into the drain. Pull the upper part of the bag over the drain pipe. Tie another zip tie on top. This prevents bad odors from coming out of the drain. Follow me for daily life hacks.